New York's nursing shortage continues to be an urgent problem, but SUNY is putting up $1 million in new funding to expand pathways to nursing careers. Joining us now, the SUNY Chancellor, John King. Always good to see you, Chancellor. Thanks for being here.
Great to see you.
Let's put this into perspective. I mean, how much of a nursing need is there today in the greater Syracuse area, or really upstate New York, all of New York State maybe?
Look, we're facing a huge nursing shortage as a state, as a country. In the Syracuse region alone, by 2028, there'll be a need for 9,000 nurses. That's about 2,000 more than a decade earlier. So we've got to keep producing that supply of nurses, and this program is another initiative in a slew of initiatives that we've launched to meet the governor's goal to grow the state's healthcare workforce by 20%.
Yeah, you brought it up there, so I'm going to ask you, there have been and there are a number of programs to try to address the shortage. So how is this new funding, this new program different?
Well, we've got to have a multitude of strategies. So one strategy is we need more nurse educators. So we've got a scholarship program for folks who have a bachelor's in nursing to get a master's in nursing with us and then commit to teach in one of our institutions. We've got simulation labs that we are building across the state where students can get their clinical hours done with simulation that is very, very high tech and very effective. And now we're adding this program, which will partner the Syracuse EOC, the Educational Opportunity Center, with SUNY Canton to develop a LPN program. So these are entry-level nurses. They'll begin their nursing career as LPNs, and then they could come back and go to Onondaga Community College, get an associate's degree, and become a registered nurse.
There you go. Well, how does that Syracuse EOC program, how does that expand the pathways? How does that open it up to more people?
Well, the key with an LPN program is you don't already need a degree. And so folks who are interested in the healthcare field, maybe they're struggling to get by in a low-wage job, they want to get into nursing, the LPN can be the first step. And the great thing about the EOC, their programs are free. And so we've, through the EOC, helped so many New Yorkers access that first really good job on the pathway to a career.
Yeah, that definitely makes it cost effective. Free always does for everything. I'm also curious too what this could mean for the actual neighborhood, because Syracuse EOC is going to be have a new spot for this program. It's near the East Adams redevelopment, all the things going on over there. How will this actually help the neighborhood too?
Yeah, so the program's going to start out in some swing space until that new building is completed, but that new building is going to be a hub of activity for economic development in the community. Through the EOC, folks can pursue high school equivalency who may not have a high school diploma. Folks who are learning English can get support services. Folks who need to learn how to use technology can get their first opportunity. Folks who are interested in the construction trades can get OSHA certification. So there's a number of opportunities for folks to get a foothold in the economy through these free programs at the EOC.
Once it's ready, you're going to have that space, you're going to have this program with the new funding, but how do we actually go out and reach the people that maybe we haven't been able to reach before to get them into this nursing program?
So this is really about outreach, and we are working with the EOC to think about how we engage the faith community, community-based organizations, even high schools, so that young people, folks who are older and in their career but maybe wanting to make a switch, folks know that the EOC is there and that the programs are free if you qualify based on income. So we really need your help getting the word out.
That's what we're trying to do right here, Chancellor. I really always appreciate, having a chance to chat with you. I think it's good. It lets people know what's going on out in the community. So this is great stuff. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us again. I really appreciate it. We'll see you soon.
Thanks for the opportunity. Great to see you.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.